Cards and boards in Scrintal can exist in one board, multiple boards, or in no boards at all. So how can you find a Scrintal element ever again if it can be anywhere or nowhere? So in this video, I will teach you how to use the different types of search in Scrintal so you can find your card, boards, and web links again. So let's check it out. This video is part of a Scrintal for Beginners series sponsored by Scrintal. So if you want to have access to all the videos in the series, make sure to check the link in the description below this video. There are three types of search in Scrintal: the search in the archive, the spotlight search, and the link search. Every time you remove a card or a board from your canvas, they will still exist in the archive. So you can bring them back by clicking at the icon at the top left corner to open the left sidebar, moving to the search tab, and then write a piece of the title or the content of the element that you are looking for. And if you have found what you are looking for, you can either open it by clicking at the search result, or you can bring it into a canvas by dragging and dropping. But sometimes you know the exact title of the card or board that you are looking for and you just want to have a quick access to it. In that case, you can use the spotlight search. And you can access it through your keyboard by pressing Command-Shift-K on a Mac or Ctrl-Shift-K if you are using Windows or Linux. Or you can use the mouse, where you can go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Spotlight button to open the Spotlight search. In that case, the search should take your whole screen. You can see the metadata and the content of an item by moving your mouse or using the arrows in your keyboard. And when you find what you are looking for, just click on it and the item will be opened for you. So that's how you can bring something back from the archive or have a quick direct access to it. But there is more to Scrintal than that. Most elements in Scrintal can be related by links, so the result is a network of cards, boards, and links to external web pages. So the third type of search allows you to perform a search within the network of links of a given element. And you can open it by selecting, for example, the current board by clicking on the canvas, then open the right sidebar by clicking at the top right corner icon, and there you'll find the search tab, where you can search just like you did in the archive, but now only within the network of links of the selected element. So if you select another element like a card, for example, the search results will change because the links of that card are different from the network of links of the previous element. And for both the search in the archive in the left sidebar and the link search in the right sidebar, you can filter your results. So you can apply a filter on the tags, on the user who have created that item, or the date the item was created. So with these three types of search, even if you remove a card from all boards, you can still find it. So those are the three types of search that you can find in Scrintal: a search in the archive, a spotlight search, and the link search. And now that you know how to create items and search for them, now it's time for us to investigate the things that are not in your archive. So in the next videos, we investigate what are the visual elements that you can add in your canvas to make sense of the information that you have in there. So I see you in the next video.